My name is Sindhu Susan and I'm a software developer based in the US. Today I'm excited to introduce you to MDBot, an emotionally intelligent AI for women empowerment powered by Amazon Bedrock. So MDBot is built with one mission to create a safe, supportive and empathetic digital companion for women. What if technology could care? So basically, it is designed to understand emotions, offer personalized support, and help women navigate their daily challenges with confidence and compassion. So, using AWS Bedrock, I have integrated powerful foundation models that enables MDBot to process emotional context, provides natural and caring responses, and adapt to each user's tone and need. And also beyond the chatbot, MDBot represents a step towards emotionally intelligent technology, one that listens, understands, and empowers. So powered by AWS Bedrock, MDBot combines multiple foundational models like Claude, Titan, or LLM-3 to deliver human-like understanding and emotionally aware responses securely and at scale. What are Bedrock capabilities? Now we have to understand what exactly AWS Bedrock can do. So natural language understanding it has. So for meaningful context aware conversations. It has emotional intelligence layer, trained prompts and context to detect mood, tone and mental load. We can customize it, personalize advice and affirmations for women's emotional and professional well-being. Architecture, we know that it has a scalable architecture like built serverlessly with Lambda, API gateway, and DynamoDB, ensuring privacy and efficiency. Now, if we'll see this, how MDBot connects the Amazon Bedrock and completes the workflow. So the client sends a user message to API gate, and the API gateway receives it. The Lambda runs backend logic and calls Amazon Bedrock. Bedrock Cloud 3 Sonnet model generates a thoughtful response. Lambda sends it back through API gateway. The client app displays the reply to the user. So in one line we can say MDBot uses a fully serverless AWS architecture where user messages flow from the app through API gateway and AWS Lambda to Amazon Bedrock's Cloud 3 Sonnet model, enabling real-time empathetic AI conversations without managing any infrastructure. So this is the tech stack for the AI core Cloud Titan model of AWS Bedrock. The purpose is to obviously emotionally intelligent reasoning. For the backend app, use AWS Lambda and API gateway. They have serverless orchestration. DynamoDB has data, which has a context plus conversation memory. For the voice, Amazon Polly has been used, which is a soothing, supportive voice for interaction. Analytics, AWS Comprehend plus QuickSight is used. The purpose is like it can detect sentiments and emotional trend tracking. For the front end, I've used React HTML, CSS, which is an engaging chatbot interface. Now, if you see this, what we should know about Amazon Bedrock. So, Amazon Bedrock is a managed AWS service for accessing and managing foundation models, the basic building blocks of generative AI by Amazon Web Services. Bedrocks make things so simple that you don't need to worry about provisioning GPUs, configuring model pipelines, or managing any other infrastructure. And also, since MDBot's goal is emotional understanding, empathy, and supportive conversation, it's the best fit for it. I have used Claude 3 Sonnet model for emotionally intelligent conversations. No model training, just use the API with custom prompts. Fully private, user data stays in AWS. Integrates easily with Lambda Comprehend and Polly for emotion detection and voice. I'll guide you like through setting up the necessary permissions, creating AWS account and all. So basically you have to create an AWS account first, if not already done, but you know how to create it first. And then after that you have to navigate to AWS Bedrock, log into the AWS Management Console, navigate to AWS Console and enter your login credentials. And now here on the top search bar, you have to mention search for Bedrock. Use the search bar at the top of the console, type Bedrock and select it from the drop-down menu, Amazon Bedrock. Now you can explore the Bedrock dashboard, like you can explore whatever is there. Once on the Bedrock dashboard, you'll see options for choosing model providers and foundational models here. So you have to select a model provider foundation, like a foundation model. Choose a provider based on your use case. Like for example, I have used Claude 3 Sonnet. So there are different, like for Amazon Titan for text generation. Amazon Titan is for text generation. Stability AI is for images, etc. So now explore model specific options like input types, supported features and output parameters. Now we can also set up the IAM permissions, which is also I will recommend that it is important because for critical for securely accessing AWS Bedrock, it is important to set the IAM permissions as well. And this is the model which particularly MDBot has used, Claude 3 Sonnet. We can set up the IAM permissions. So yes, so here we have discussed about how to use Amazon Bedrock, integrate foundation models via the Bedrock API to add natural language understanding and emotional intelligence, features of Amazon Bedrock, access to multiple top-tier AI models from Anthropic, Amazon, etc. No infrastructure management. It is fully managed service. Built-in security, compliance, and scalability. Easy integration with other AWS services. Thank you for listening. Empowering innovation through emotionally intelligent AI built on AWS. Thank you so much.